Hey guys, this is MTP Tech, and today we have the new God of War Ragnarok on PS5. Let's take a look at the packaging. It's, I guess, in Scandinavian, and yeah, of course I cannot read them, but it's interesting because some symbols are looking like the symbols on in the game. Okay, let's open this box up and see if there's anything inside. Maybe there's some code, bonus or something. Interesting. I just got it. I just got it on 8th night. At 11 p.m. there was a release date, and I could add one image from the release. There was a lot of people standing in line to get it early, and there was a lot of, I guess, YouTubers or podcasters. There was an event where we could, if you buy this game, if you pre-order this game, you could win a collector's edition, and the game is still on. And let's take it out. Okay, there's something here, but it's just Finnish, Norwegian, Swedish, or Danish. So pretty. Nah, this time there's nothing inside. Just we see that it has this on the other side, which you can see. Okay, some baddies, dragons. Nice, like the real good scenery of God of War, like the no fall damage game. Yeah. That's my initial review of the Godfall games. No fall damage. No fall damage. And let's see the disc itself. Here we go. Let's try to catch the. There's the camera. Nose. Yeah. 18. You can play God of War Ragnarok only if you're 18. Yeah. But it is what it is. There's a lot of blood. So that was the little unboxing of God of War Ragnarok. Thank you for watching. It was MTP Tech. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.